Landlording for fun and profit, Florida style. Patty says, put the new blinds up. They're easy. Well, it took 40 minutes to get 3 brackets in. Actually, once you know what you're doing, it probably is not that hard. But the brackets are in. We're ready to hang them, baby. Getting ready to hang them high. It's hung. We hope. Mini blind number 2. Blind is down, brackets are down. New mini going up. Blind number 2. Old brackets are out, new brackets are in. Let's see how we do this time. Landlording for fun and profit. 2 down, and I think we got 4 to go. Yay!